Hey friends, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a stand to create a garland. For this look I did it for Halloween, but you can use this same concept to get any look that you desire. First I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to put the stand together. This is just a stand that I got off of Amazon, and I'm going to leave the link in the description in case you want to purchase it. This actually came with two stands. This is the shorter of the two, came with a 6-foot and a 7-foot stand, but I'm showing you how to put it together and what the final look would be at the end. I do want to mention, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because I do have another video available for you to watch. As you'll see in the final clip, I do have two balloon stands, and one of them is made out of a lamp post, and I do show you step by step in the next video after this one how I put that one together. So make sure you keep watching to see that video as well. I love this part. This is an arch that curves around, and you'll see how I will use this later to add an additional garland to my look to extend it, but this is just how it looks once it's put together. And I'm going to use balloon clips. I want to kind of give you an idea how you can use balloon clips. In my previous videos I have used balloon clips, but this I'm going to use to actually create a garland onto the stand. So you just want to take each balloon. You can just find 4 of the holes going around the balloon clip, and you just put the balloon inside of there and kind of clip it into place. And this makes it easy because you can do any color combination that you want. Right here, this is just a weight that I had at home just to get it some stability, so I am going to place this outside. And as you can see, I'm just sliding the clip down over the pole, and then I want to position the balloons to kind of go in between each other, and I'm just going to keep stacking them on top, and it makes it really easy to create this garland this way. It is okay, as you see, as I got towards the top, the balloons didn't want to stay into place, pushed down, but that's okay because you are going to lock in the final one to hold the balloons in place. I do show you in the next video after this what I mean by locking the balloons in place, and this will hold the balloons together at the top so they will not come off. I'm going to show you now how I create balloon clusters and how I'm going to make a mini garland that I am going to attach to the top of this once I get it outside. And so you're blowing up 2 balloons together and you want to tie them together. Once you get 2 sets of, we call it duplexes, tied together, then you just twist them around to lock them into place. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use what's called a 260 balloon. This is going to be used to build a garland, and I'm going to add the clusters. You can see right here, I'm going to add the clusters or the mini garland to the top of my stand, to the top of my garland. So I'm just taking a 260. I'm going to tie it around the middle of my cluster. You want to double knot it to make sure it's good and tight, and once you do that, you see I'm going to take another cluster and I'm kind of just going to wrap the 260 around the balloons, and this will just kind of make it, you want to squeeze it kind of tight and snug it to try to just keep it in place. And then I'm going to add a couple more clusters wrapping around the 260 around them, and then this is how I create my mini garland. Now, I was not able to record me actually adding this to the top. I was rushing to put this together to get it out for Halloween. But all you do is once you have your garland created, you just want to use that 260 and kind of wrap it around the top of the garland and kind of lock it into place. But it's kind of like what I'm about to show you now, because I'm about to fill in the bottom of the garland to make it a little bit bigger. This is how you attach the new mini garland to the big garland. It's similar. You're going to take and kind of make it like a rubber band, a 260 around your balloons, and you want to double knot it. And then I'm going to find a balloon and simply just put it over the balloon and move the new attached balloons into place. I'll show you again. I kind of made a rubber band over 2 balloons. I'm moving and find the position where I want it to be, and then I'm just going to stretch it over another balloon and move the new balloons into place. So this is how I attach the mini garland to the top of my balloon stand. Definitely move your balloons around any way that you feel like you need to fill it in. The good thing about balloons are they are flexible. So as you see, a lot of times once I'm adding some other little small balloons to it, I do move them around to a position that I do like. Okay friends, now I'm going to show you how I make some 5-inch balloons to add on to my balloon garland to fill it in as well. And then I just screw the little tiny nozzles onto my balloon pump. And then again, I'm going to take 2 balloons and I'm going to tie them together. And usually I do this with a total of 4 balloons, but I was running out of small balloons in this case, so I'll show you how to just tie 3 of them together. So I'm just blowing up the last balloon individually, and I'm just kind of tying it and knotting it around the other 2 to hold it into place. And then I'm going to repeat the process. I'm going to make another little cluster of 3 as well. Now that I have the 2 sets of 5-inch balloons, I'm going to take a 260 and I'm going to tie it on one side of the cluster. I'm going to double knot it to make sure it's nice and tight. And I'm going to take the other end of my 260 and tie on and double knot the other cluster of 5-inch balloons. And this stretches it out nice that you'll be able to easily have enough space to wrap it around the garland. And as you see, I'm just taking my cluster of 5 inches and you kind of just weeding it around a balloon of your choice. And then now I'm doing another color in purple with the 5-inch clusters. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm just kind of weeding it around one balloon, and then I'm going to adjust it to my liking. And then we do the same thing in the black color. And this is what we have so far. We're almost there. We're going to keep adding a few more things. And don't forget to keep watching, because after this video, I do show you the lamppost video, how I make that step by step and put that garland together. And here's the final result. watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to watch the next video coming up as I show you how I make a balloon garland out of a lampstand, and have a royal day.